11 vehicles will not go a collectorate. The important part is our collector basically has worked tirelessly and for this initiative that he has taken for getting this vehicle, because it is very important, I believe, for the smooth functioning of the department. And on time, basically a delivery, that is very important. So I think we were lacking as far as the vehicles are concerned. And as I have told the collector, our secretary also is present, we have said that any, first and foremost, I have seen the state of the office. It is in a bad shape. I think disaster management also is functioning from here. But I don't want any disaster to happen to us, because then people will say, what is this disaster management if we cannot take care of ourselves? So I think we should basically carry on with the work as far as this office is concerned. And shifting is a different issue, but we need to take care of this office. My full support and backing will be there. And any other thing, as far as we should be more comfortable as far as the staff is concerned, please put forward to the proposal, and be rest assured we'll do the needful. Thank you, sir.
So, what this vehicle will be used for? Vehicle for use करते ले?
This will be basically used for administrative work of prompt service, for disaster management, election, all the other things as far as the administration is concerned.
Now, this will be only in Panjim, or it will be given on all offices?
This is not Goa.
Not Goa. You also spoke saying that the building is in dilapidated condition.
Because when disaster is being managed from here itself. As if tomorrow people should not say there may be some disaster in this building itself. And what you will take care of other disasters. I will be meeting the PWD minister now itself. And now the file basically has been moved to the PWD. But you know how the functioning basically of government is concerned. But I will meet the PWD minister today, and I will ask him basically to just do the work as far as the collection office.
It's renovation work or new building or what it is?
Sorry, then?
Renovation work?
No, you cannot have a new building. This is the old thing. This will remain always in life.
See, office shift जाता है because most of the offices have been shifted. Some are in Porvorim side and all.
No, this is in pipeline. We are going to have a revenue Bhavan itself. We are identifying a place. We have almost identified a place somewhere in Bambolim.
Bambolim. So the revenue Bhavan will come in Bambolim.
Bambolim. So all the offices basically will be held under one office.